What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Now today we're going to keep it simple. We've got my friend's B-Class. We're going to give her an oil service. Let's get her done, boys. First things first, get your car up to operating temperature, open up your bonnet, take your cover off, prepare the car to be lifted so you can take your under tray off. So now you've got your car jacked up securely. You can see underneath, we can see that there's some 8mm fasteners to get off, to get this underbelly off, as there's no access panel for a sump bung. So alright, that's that out. It landed on you. Now we have access to our sump bung. Ideal. Let's slide that out of here. So now I have everything set up. I've got my tools ready. And your gloves on. You're going to need a set of sump removers, as this is a Renault engine that uses, it's just a square one like that. I've got some oil filter pliers. As your oil filter is located just down there, use something easy to get down there and twist her off, because they can be, oh, this one's coming off, this one's going to come off, no problem. So before you remove any oil, I would make sure that you can get your oil filter off, and then what I like to do is open up your fill and remove the dipstick. This is all in one on these. Set you up. So I'm just going to remove that, keep that out of the way. Right, now that we've got everything ready upstairs, we can use our sump key here to crack the sump free. Just get your dish ready. So that ready, just going to spin her off. And get your dish ready. So that oil's pretty black, hasn't been changed for a while. So we're just going to let that drain and get the spin the oil filter free, just so it can release as much of oil as possible. I'd recommend leaving your car to drain as long as possible, so you've got better chances of getting every single bit of oil out. Obviously you're not going to get 100% of it out, but the longer you let it sit, the better chances you have. Ideal. So now that we've got that oil drain in, we're just going to change the air filter. So we're going to need a, I don't know what this is, looks like a T20 or a T25 bit. I'm just going to go around all of these screws. Just the two? Just the two. Nice. Nice and easy on the Mercedes. Made in Italy. Fairly dirty. Make sure a new one fits. Take a new filter wash for here. Nice freshie. Get any bits out. I would normally use a compressor, but don't have one yet. I might put the logo in the front, and then a couple of clips here on the back. Press them in, perfect. Right, that's your air box and air filter done, as easy as that. Apologies for the rain, it's just started lashing it down, so we're going to get a new filter. Normally I would pre-fill this and then fit it, but because it's on the side, it's just going to ooze all out, so I'm just going to lube up the seal and screw her on. Let's just pour a little bit in the cap, and just dab your finger then, and then go around the seal. So that's all nicely lubed up.
Oh, Daddy.
And then I'm just going to tidy up down here a bit more with a rag. That looks good. And then just crank her up. Hand tight is more than enough for these screw-on filters, because over time they like to grip on some more, so I'm just going to go hand tight on this, and then I'm just going to wipe it down with a rag. Nice new filter poking through there. So when I'm doing services, I like to replace the sump bung, so I've bought a brand new sump one here, but looking at the two, they're different sizes. This one's slightly shorter than this one, so I'm going to reuse this one but use the new seal that we've got in there. So there we are, our new, well, our old sump bung, but our new washer and washer seal, I don't know what you call them. It's all cleaned up, ready to go back in the car. The socket's still stuck in the sump bung, but we can worry about that once it's underneath. You can see the weather has just started lashing it down. My 4E36 is stuck outside the wet. Just a quick rinse off. Brake cleaner. Get this on now. Get that loosely in there. And then because we've drained all the oil around here, just want to give everything a quick blast off with some brake cleaner. Especially up here. There we go. Again, not too tight on these. There we go. We can add our funnel, grab our oil and start filling her up. Now I think this car takes about 4.5 litres, as it is only a little 1.5 ECI, so you can pretty much shove all of this in. It's a perfect time to check the leaks quick, and to also check the level. Obviously it's not going to be super level because the car's still jacked up, so I'm going to check for leaks, which we have none of. I'm going to put half a litre more in, then I'm going to start the car up, and then again check for leaks, and then we want to put our under tray on, and then we can finalise the oil level. So I've just got the car running. I've just done a double check for leaks underneath and from the oil filter. Looks really good for up top. And again, the bottom looks all good as well. So I'm just going to shut her off, put our under tray back on, get her back on the flat surface, then we can check our final level. E36 is back where it belongs, B-class, all chilling, as easy as that. Quick one today, just an easy one, so stay tuned for more content, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers and God, bye.
And I've been counting days to get away.